VO Genesis stands for VoiceOver Genesis, a guide that shows you how to make money as a voiceover artist. If you are interested in doing online business, you might be interested in this method of making money. Voiceover artists are actors that do voice work for television commercials, audiobooks, animated films, documentaries, or any work that needs narration where you don't appear in person to the listener. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The author also offers several bonus guides that should help you once you've already gotten started, and there are some additional guides that should help you make even more money. This kind of work can be very lucrative. You could earn as much as $100 for a 15 seconds recording, $250 for a 30 seconds commercial, and $3,000 for an audiobook. VO Genesis is written by Jenny Lewis and details how to get started as a voiceover artist. The actual VoiceOver Genesis guide is very informative. The guide walks you through everything you need to know, from what types of jobs you can do as a voiceover artist to resources and websites you can use to get gigs. Some of the things you will learn from this guide are: 1. Types of voiceover work you can do. 2. How to record a voiceover demo to send to clients. 3. How to make a simple home studio, not as expensive as it sounds. 4. Developing your skills as a voiceover artist. 5. Websites where you can find the best paying jobs. 6. Recording and editing your voiceover work. If you think that you don't have a great voice, or you're not confident enough, you can still get over these hurdles, as VO Genesis has tips that you can use in the comfort of your own home to help you. There are also links to workshops that you can take to enhance your skills. If you think voiceover work is something that you would definitely want to do, considering it can make you really good money, then VO Genesis and its bonus guides is a great place to start. All in all, VO Genesis is a great guide that is thoroughly informative and provides you with everything you need to get started in the lucrative voiceover artist industry. Click the link in the description below this video for details.